Today, my problem is x, y are independent random variables. We know the PMF of p x equals to k is p times q to the power of k, and the p y equals to m is p times q to the power of m. And we want to find PMF of two parts. The first part is x plus y, and the second part is x minus y. So since we know that x, y are independent variables, so we can get the p x equals to k, y equals to m equals to p x equals to k times p m equals to y equals to m equals to p q to the k times p q to the m is like p squared q m plus k. K m equals to a 0, 1, 2 to the infinity. So the first part, we let z equals to x plus y. So p z equals to n equals to p x plus y equals to n equals to sigma k equals to 0 to n p x equals to k, y equals to n minus k. Since they are independent, so we can write p from 0 to n p x equals to k times p from y equals to n minus k. Then we can get sigma k from 0 to n p times q p times q n minus k. So it's p squared q to the power of n k from 0 to n. So that is n plus 1 times p squared q to the n. N equals to 0, 1, 2 to the infinity. So let's do part B. We can let w equals to x minus y. So when w is greater than 0, that is x greater than y, for m greater than 0, p w equals to m equals to p x minus y equals to m equals to sigma from 0 to infinity p x equals to m plus k times p y equals to k. Since they are independent, then we can get k from 0 to infinity p times q m plus k times p q k. That is p squared k from 0 to infinity times q m times q 2k. We can take this out. P squared q m sigma k from 0 to q infinity q 2k. We can get 1 minus q squared p squared p times q. Since p is equal to 1 minus q, we can get 1 plus q p m. M equals to 0, 1, 2. So we can do case 2. This is case 1. Case 2, when w smaller than 0, that is x smaller than y, for m smaller than 0, we can get p w equals to m equals to p x plus y equals to m equals to sigma k from 0 to infinity sigma k from 0 to infinity p x equals to k, y equals to k minus m. Since they're independent, we can get k from 0 to infinity. P x equals to k times p y equals to k minus m. This is sigma k from 0 to infinity. P q k minus m. This is sigma k from 0 to infinity. P square q minus m q 2k. This is p square q minus m to 1 q square, because p equals to 1 minus q. This is 1 plus q. P minus m. M equals to 0 minus 1 minus 2. So combine this 1 and 2, we can get p w equals to m equals to p times q square m, absolute value of m 1 minus q. M can be 0 plus or minus 1 plus minus